Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a bird's cage and it will cost you almost nothing.
All we're gonna need is wood sticks, and that's it. This one 12-inch, and to make your cage looks more better, we can use thick wooden sticks and some of safety wooden tongue depressor. I will start with the front side. It will be 30 centimeter, but the size is up to you guys. If you want to make it bigger, so make it small, it's all up to you. I will just show you how to do it. First we need a tape, and we're gonna put it upside down like this. Just like that. And now I will start to stick the wood just like that. This is the first one. The other one, the distance will be 1 centimeter and a half. Just like that. Remember, they all should start at the same point. Just like that. Now prepare your glue gun. Bring another stick and stick it like that. Now do the same process in the other side. Now you can remove it from the tape. Don't remove this one because we're gonna use it again. Make sure all the parts are glued in the main stick. And that's it. We just finished the first side of the cage. Now we have to repeat this process 3 more times. Now we have 4 pieces. And this is how it looks when it's done. So yeah, let's build the roof. Put the sharp side at the bottom, and here glue another stick. Just like that. Repeat it with the all sides. And now let's build the rooftop. It will be the same like a front side. I use the same tape, the same space, but in this case I will put one stick in the front and one at the beginning and one at the end. It will be just like that. As you can see, now we have the 4 sides and the top. Now it's time to build the floor. I'm gonna use a piece of cork. You can use any material you want. You can use a small tray, you can use a dish or whatever you want. So yeah, let's do it. Now it's time to make the door. You have to choose the right size for the door so you can put your hands in and out so easily. And we're gonna cut 8 sticks. So it will be like that. Now stick one of these sticks here and one in the other side. Now let's build the door. Okay, now we have everything. Now it's time to connect all that together. Okay, let's connect the floor and then we done. I made this piece of cardboard with these edges to put it right here. Just like that. And now the cage is done. You have to add a wood stick inside and it will be ready to use. So yeah, let's find a bear to put it on.
In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade this cage and make it bigger. So, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.